गांधी जयंतीच्या निमतान MPTन आनी तेज्या स्टाफान मेळून आयज एक मॅरेथॉन ऑर्गनायज केला. म्हाका दिसता MPT ऑलवेज असले आयटम आहा ते बऱ्यापैकी ऑर्गनायज करता. चेअरमॅन हांगासरलो आहा तो आनी इवन म्हाजो मित्र क्लेमेंट तेंच्यांनी बऱ्यापैकी आनी त्या आख्ख्या टिमीन आयज ऑर्गनायज केला. सगळ्या पार्टिसिपेंटांक गूड विशीस दिता आनी MPT कडेन सांगता की आमी असले कार्य जेन्ना करता एक बऱ्या दिसा त्याचो उगडास म्हणून स्पोर्ट्स म्हणून केल्या उपरांत सगळ्यांचे हेल्थय बरी इम्प्रूव जाता. असेच कार्यक्रम आमी प्रत्येक फावटी चालू दवरपाचे. हांव सगळ्या लोकांक बरे विशीस मागता, तांकां बरें हेल्थ मागता.
All aware that today is Gandhi's birthday. This is what you call this is a dream of Mahatma Gandhi to keep the country clean. For that, Prime Minister already given direction. 15 days we are celebrating this one. This is just to give awareness to all people to maintain Swachhata everywhere. Of course, we are not achieved much, but definitely today onwards, people definitely understand the importance of Swachhata and do it. This is our expectation.
It's really wonderful to organize this marathon for the first time in order to create awareness on Swachhata, because we have been hearing Swachhata every day in and out. So we thought of doing something unique in a different way, because what is important is health and fitness. So thinking on that line, we as a port management decided we'll have a Swachhata awareness run, and we have got tremendous response. We have got more than 600 participants taking part in this event, and I hope people will take a clue from this and they will maintain clean and hygiene in the environment.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.